uploading and sharing files and folders. So the easiest way to upload any file or folder is simply drag it from your computer desktop or whatever other part of your computer the file or folder is in, and just drag it right here and it'll automatically upload. Or if you like buttons and you just like clicking a lot, you can just go, or if you don't know where it is but you know the name of the file, you can go you can go here and you can go file or folder upload depending on which one that you are uploading. Next, if you're creating a file from scratch, and let's say you're creating a document, you can go to new and create the Google Doc. And when you create it, whatever folder that you're in, when you hit that new button, will be the folder where that Google Doc, or as you see, Google Sheet, Slide, or Form, or drawing or map or site or whatever that you're using in the Google universe lives. So if I created anything while I'm in this folder, where I would find it after I exit out of it is in this drive, in this folder that I'm in right now. So next, after you upload or create the file, is going to be sharing it. So the easiest way to do this is, easiest way is going to be go within the folder. You're going to click where the folder's name, which is always going to be the name that's showing on the very far right. You're going to click it. You're going to hit share. And then just like with the groups or with anything else, just like with the drive, not the group, sorry. Just like when you're sharing the drive, you're going to type in the name and voila. And again, what I would do here, if you are any organization that you're going to this step of not sharing the entire drive, and you're just sharing individual folders for different employees, even if you have the resources and the want to give everyone a individual email inbox, to make it easier and quicker to share folders, what I would do is create groups of the different layers of employees you have. So let's say every new executive brought on just gets put into the executive group. And so no matter who it is on your executive team, when they leave, they don't have any documents attached to their personal inbox. You don't have to worry about when you delete that email, what's going to happen to the file. None of that. All you got to do is take them out of the group and add the replacement in the group. Let's say managers. You just say manager group, you put them in and out. And it's automatic. That person who is inserted into the group automatically has access to all the files that group has access to. It will save you a lot of time when new employees come in and employees leave. You're not having to go in, make sure they don't have anything, that email isn't the owner of anything, and that you don't have to worry about what happens, even though when you delete an email, even if that person's the owner, if it's in a shared drive and other people have worked on it, it should stay. So you don't have to worry about that, but just to keep everything clean, I like to just give ownership to groups, even when I have people or customers whose whole business, every individual has a business email, and it's not groups. I just put those business emails into a group and share all the files with the different groups. That's how I keep everyone a little bit more organized, and you know exactly who you're sharing what to, and are not sharing things on an individual basis. And then if there are project folders that do need to be just shared with individuals, you can do that too. It's just, I'm saying that you don't want to do that all the time, because that's going to be very time consuming. If you're in a business of 15 to 20 people, that's a lot of turnover sometimes to keep up with new employees coming in, employees leaving, and stuff like that's gonna get crazy. So the easiest thing to do is create groups of your different employee layers and insert and share files and folders with only groups, unless it's like individual project folders. Now, if you don't want people to be able to share and you want to kind of set your restrictions on these files a little bit harder than kind of what I've shown you, you can. So let's say you're going to want to share and share. And let's say when you add someone, you just want them to be able to view it. Now, a viewer can't edit or touch it, the live document that's saved, but they can download it. So, or maybe you just want someone's advice on something and you want them to be able to comment. Again, this isn't touching the real file. This is simply just commenting and adding their thoughts outside of the document. Contributor, they're able to add and edit files, and then content manager can move, edit, delete, and share. So let's say though you want a little step up. Well, what you're gonna have to do is go to the admin console, and you're gonna go to apps. You're gonna go all the way down to drives and docs. You're gonna go share settings, sharing options, and you are going to say off, that you don't want anyone outside your organization to be able to see any of your documents. All you have to do is go off. Or maybe you work closely with another company, you can go allow listed domains. Or let's say you want to turn off downloading. All you have to go is right here, you gotta stay here, and you are gonna go allow viewers to and commentate, download, print, and copy files. You're gonna click that off. When you uncheck this, this means when you put someone as a viewer, they can only view. They can't download the file, they can't copy or print the file. So that is a couple ways that you can restrict some files if you want it a viewer only file for certain level employees. If you don't want to do this on your own, you can visit austinclines.com and fill out a contact form, and I will give you a free consultation of how to get this started, and I will walk your business through setting up Google Workspace or even Microsoft 360 and help your business begin to become more productive, have happier employees, have more time, have less stress, and collaborate with your employees as a team easier. AustinGlines.com.